From the insert dropdown, there is a diagram section with loads of handy presets. I'll go on the grid option first. You can see it has some quite eye-catching examples, especially this one at the bottom. So one click will add it to your current slide. Of course, this is all fully editable. I can then change this to my stats and go from there. I'll just delete this. I can also go up to this section, which can modify the basic presets of this. So I can actually have 5 sections instead of 3, and then add that one instead. So that's very simple and quick to do. I'll go on a new slide here. Going back to the same menu, you'll notice there are a number of other options. Some of them are fairly similar. For example, timeline and process give fairly similar designs. But as you can see, it's quite difficult to actually picture what these will look like. So I would advise going on to view all. This visually makes it easier to actually see what kind of designs you're going to get by looking into these presets. So it makes it a bit simpler. I'll go on to the cycle design, as I often use these types of graphics to show a process in my presentations, and this one looks quite intuitive. So I'm going to insert that and go ahead and start editing the text to spice up my presentations a bit.